Installation and operation of fixed position glue spreader. Connect the vacuum pump power cord. Tighten the nut. Connect the cavity power cord. Connect the vacuum pump to the air outlet. This is the pneumatic valve air pipe A and B, corresponding to the connection cavity A and B. Connect the air compressor air inlet pipe. Power on the device. Click to enter the operation interface. If you need to pump air, you can turn on the air pump. Turn it off if you don't need it. The same is true for this nitrogen valve. If you need nitrogen, open it. Close if not needed. Set the glue parameters before starting glue, according to your own experimental requirements. Set speed and time. Set point return. Just start it. The current setting is U levels. When running to the U segment, it will display U. When the speed becomes D, it will stop automatically. After stopping, the sample stage will return to the position before startup. The experiment is completed.